Hi, good morning. Just joining everyone. There can be some slowness in my internet because I am from home today. Are you guys able to hear me clearly? Okay. Mainly whenever I am from home, I do get issues in internet and normally weekends there is some maintenance happening around 11 to 12, but today it seems to be okay. So last week was a little bit haywire. There would have been, instance where we would have to reconsider the entries, but normally I am a bit reluctant in doing that. Uh, is it for everyone else? It is internet issue at your place, Manojji. So is the voice not clear for everyone? Can anyone say it is not clear or clear for
मेरे
everyone?
यहाँ बिल्कुल क्लियर है।
Clear, and just thank you, Amar sir. Okay, so then
तो
Manojji,
थोड़ा
some.
इम्प्रूव हो गया है, लेकिन पहले स्टार्टिंग में सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था।
Okay, so then this is good. Okay. And the difference would be there because I'm using some professional headset in office. उसको actually मैं लाना भूल गया Friday को. So next weekend I'll remember if the lockdown continues. Normally that's why I prefer to go to office and do this session. But somewhere or the other, वो थोड़ा lockdown के चक्कर में बंद करना है पड़ा. Okay, so people are still joining. I have just added few people. Okay. So last week I think we did some gadbad. Okay, we were still in this range. We never broke out or broke down. Okay, so we are still around 33,000 supported right now also, and I think थोड़ा हम लोग उससे नीचे हैं. But I still feel this range will remain. See what markets are doing is slowly and steadily they are actually going down. Okay, so there is somewhere momentum on the downside, but it's not just going down. And we will have to see around 32, 400, 500. We are seeing some type of support. So we'll have to see where we are getting up and 61% के नीचे चले गए हम. So that means we might come back to that. People were talking about 29,500 or 30,000 levels. That is also possible. Okay, and we have break 40 also now on uh, daily. So now we need to see where we are going to take support, and even 60 I think on monthly struggling. So this month if we close below 60, there can be a good amount of slowdown in the market or the recovery in the market. Okay, so let's see on that. So I think there were two things which we failed. There was an entry in Reliance earlier. We took it 2051 and then it hit the stop loss. And I think there were few entries in Dr. Reddy and things which we took and we were not able to make money. Okay, and it also went till the target of 4765. Okay, Escort would have been made an early entry, and same was Maruti because both had bullish divergence. So yes, few things which we missed this week. Okay, so now let's see what is that we get for the new week, and I think we will implement what we missed in this week now in the coming week. Okay, so surely we'll have to work on re-entering or new levels as well because the market dynamics are changing every day or post every day. So it's better that we'll at least for the stocks we should be working on a day-to-day basis to see where the entries can be revised to. So we'll fix the stocks, but on those stocks if there is a new entry, we will do that definitely from this week.
Did we just lose audio?
Is there any issue with the audio? Because I think the rest of the people are able to hear it.
Yeah, now you're audible.
Okay. Now there is some internet issues also around where I am right now, so that's why I prefer to be there at in office. But it's okay. I can't go to office because of the lockdown. Okay, so let's start with this week's this thing. So basically, for everyone, this is my search criteria advanced get. Okay, and I was actually choosing to, some stocks on the monthly time frame, and I know stock ideas. I gave you Fin5, right? I gave you few other stocks. So I'll just show you, how did I choose those stocks. So it is, if you look at this, this is the criteria I've chosen, that my monthly RSI should be above 59, below 64. So there is a fresh breakout on 60. Okay, and that is the search I've run here. And I'll just show you example of few things which I gave you already on the stock ideas. So cash stocks, how we are actually filtering it on basis of this. Okay. So Phenolics Industries, if you look at, we bought it at 705. Okay, and there is the catch. See, the RSI is moving about 60 on monthly, and it's also moving about this line now. Okay, so there can be a breakout on this. The first target can be 750, and then the cup breaks out. Okay, so then we might have the cup breakout on this. Okay, so this is the cup, and there can be a breakout on that same thing. Okay, then this was another stock called, so this is Google Solar. It's also a cup, and it is struggling right now around this level. So our entry levels are above this 52, right? So this is where you enter above 52, and there can be a scope of it reaching 140, 178. ओके सो दैट्स वाई नॉर्मली कप में हम लोग ये नहीं रखते हैं कि आ, उसका टारगेट क्या होना चाहिए, बट स्टॉप लॉस इज अराउंड 37, आई थिंक 37 या 38 मैंने रखवाया है. Okay, so that is where the stop loss is. But this is how we are finding it. See, this is a major cup also on RSI. So I think Dr. Vijay was asking me for cup, and this is the answer, that cup should also be visible on the RSI. There should be a good accumulation, and towards the breakout there should be good volume. So there are three things which I am looking at: pattern on the candlesticks, pattern on RSI, and volume towards the end, which is suggesting that there is going to be a breakout now. ओके यहाँ पे भी अगर आप देखो तो देखो थोड़े ये एक छोटा सा कप है और उस पर ब्रेकआउट आया है, और ब्रेकआउट आते ही सी इट इज गिवन यू ऑलमोस्ट डबल द डेप्थ ऑफ द कप. Okay, so from here till here it is given you. So it is what? 64 to 138 or 140. Okay, which is almost doubling your capital. Okay, and that is what we expect the cup to do. It doubles your money. Okay, on the spot. I think DJ is just joining, so I'll just repeat once he's there. Because he wanted to know on the cup patterns and how to identify, and he was identifying few of the cups as well. I think he's got internet issues as well. He's still joining. Okay, fair enough. We should listen to this because this is basically been covered as his own doubt. Okay, So now let's start today's thing. So let me move to Nifty now. Okay, so Nifty on monthly is still struggling with a doji out here. So, see, there are two school of thoughts. One, we can say that we are having a doji at all-time high. Okay, so that is one way to say that the rally on the upside might be over. And second thing is, see, over here also there is a doji at all-time high. This also is a doji at all-time high, and now there is a doji here. So after that there was some down movement, then again an upside. After this there was a huge downside because there was also the bearish divergence setup or the M setup along with it, and then there was a fall for the M target, so which was almost till here, and we brought it till here, and now there is a big doji here. So if the doji low is broken, which is 14,300, okay, then we might see the market going a bit down. Okay, so that is where you can expect the market to fall. So if we go below 13,700, yes, then there can be some bigger fall in the market. Okay, so that fall can bring it back to 12,400, 300, which was its all-time high. Okay, so that is where you can see the market coming to. So this is on the monthly basis where we are going to see it. Okay, I think people are having some issues with it, so let me also try a new thing. Okay, is this more clear? Is this more clear than what I was using earlier?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so then let me use this. Okay, so then I'll continue with this. Okay, so on weekly, what we see is still clustering and it's coming back to around 60 support. Okay, so this is good. Okay, so again, this remains around, see, it is at around 20 MA, which is again that 14,300 or that mark on the monthly as well. So if this is not broken, we might have some consolidation here. Now, if you look at this, it's also an equilateral wedge. So which side it breaks down, it will then tell you, the direction of the market as well. So if it comes down, it can come down to this level, which is 13,100. Okay, so this can be the fall if the wedge breaks down on the downside. Okay, so let's see where it goes. Okay, so mainly Nifty is showing, some weaknesses on monthly right now with dojis in formation. So this can be either, consolidation for the next move on the upside, or it can be, consolidation to get out and let the market then have a fall. Okay, it can be on both sides. So this again is telling you the same thing. And if you look at it, there is not much volumes here on the fall side. Okay, even last week if you see Doji is there, but the volume is there almost in the average. We don't have any above average volumes at all. Okay, so this again is specifying, see, this was a clearly exhaustion volume and re-entry volume for the new trend, which is already in. Now you don't see, this is the volume of entry till this level. Okay, उसके बाद कुछ बड़ा volume आया ही नहीं है. So my view is still that we are not yet, out of the trend. Okay, but I will still hold it because if 14,300 is broken, the index looks little bit weaker to come till at least 13,700. And if 13,700 comes, that means we are hanging between the lower band and center band on Bollinger, then we might come down till this level as well. Okay, so then this level will come, because then there will be weakness which will bring it down. Even will break 60 on weekly. Okay, but currently I am still going to be bullish because 60 is maintained on monthly as well as weekly, and daily is struggling between 40 60. Okay, so this is what it is doing. It's still a doji out here, but it looks like a tri-star doji bearish. Okay, if you consider this doji and this, so there is some bearishness, but still again, 14800 is acting as a very strong support. We need to see whether we are able to defend this, and then even 14600. So there are two levels which we need to now observe for Nifty at least. Okay, so this is what Nifty is showing to us, and we are having right now resistance at 15,000. Okay, so 975 or 15,000 is acting as a very strong resistance for Nifty as well. So we need either a breakout above 15,000, and then we might go up. So let's see on that. So I'll just now write down on this. Okay, so let me now write down on Nifty what we are seeing. Okay, so daily bounce from 40 above 20 MA with a bull sesh. नहीं, ये अभी गलत रहेगा. Okay, so now I'm going to write daily series of dojis. ये क्या डाला हुआ, किधर लिखा मैंने? ओके, एक मिनट है, थोड़ा इधर लगता है इंसर्ट की लग गया है. डेली Ravi ji, normally this summary is put in the description on the YouTube channel, right? So you will get it on the YouTube video. So let me show you where you will get the summary. See, in the description you will see it. In this description you will see it. Right, so this is where you will get the entire summary. Okay. Shyam, I think you need to select audio from. एक minute. Okay. So series of doji at and price support. Uh, weekly about 60, and doji, okay, and monthly doji above 60. So this remains intact for it. Resistance still remains at this and this. Support still remains. So this has not changed at all. Okay, so Nifty has not changed at all. Whatever has been changed, okay, that is, we'll have to see in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is showing something worst, or
एक मिनट
some deterioration from its high levels, and it's now also below 21%. Sorry, 61%. Okay, so we'll have to now see Bank Nifty as well clearly. So let's go to Bank Nifty. See, Bank Nifty on this shows something different. Okay, this is how much? So 39.25 and 39.78. Okay, so over here, if you consider this can be a bullish divergence, yes, I know it's a white candle, you cannot, but it's basically a black because it is below this. Now, if you go to spot will show you the actual thing. So, I think after this, we'll go to even spot and see. So, let's now understand Bank Nifty as well. So as per me on weekly, we are around 40 and price support. See, we are at 50% of this budget day candle. And this is where we are going to take support. Okay. So if this candle is genuine, अगर यहाँ पे genuine लोग घुसे थे मार्केट में, okay, ये वॉल्यूम के साथ, तो ये लोग अब तक निकले नहीं है, और वो लोग निकले नहीं तो उनका आधा of this candle they are going to protect it. See, my profit I entered from here and I kept buying till here. That means 50% is my average. So अगर मैं ये नहीं तोड़ने देता हूँ, that means I'm still there inside the market. I have not yet got out. Or was the move on this day to just make them get out? Okay, ये दिन सबको याद रहेगा, एनएससी में ग्लिच था और मार्केट जूम हुआ था 37,400 and then we saw almost, see this 37,400 तक वो आ गया था, right? And then the fall started. So this was it the day to get out for all the people who got in here, because if you look, there is only a volume on this candle and on this candle. बाकी के दिनों में इतना volume नहीं है. Okay, so this is the chance that people have got out, and now Bank Nifty is going to struggle. Okay, so this can be the two possibilities, and we have to now see यहाँ पे hammer वगैरह है, but volume नहीं है. Okay, so there are bullish candles on the way, but there is without any volumes. So एक चीज ये है कि ये अगर इसके नीचे जाता है, 32,000 के नीचे जाता है, then we will surely see decline till this 30,900 or 31,000, because there is a gap up here. तो ये gap को वो एक बार defend करने आएगा 30,600, and maybe there is another gap here. So 30,000 तक वो लेके आ सकता है, या then 29,500 is around this level. Okay, so this is where you might see Bank Nifty coming down to. Okay, but now let's see on the upside where we can do it. If you bounce from here, 34,000 is going to be one of the level where it is going to face some resistance. Okay, and about 34,000 again there would be 34,500 and around 34,800 एक level है जहाँ पे उसको ये है, इधर है 34,800. So these are going to be few levels of resistance as well. Okay, weekly क्या दिखा रहा है? Weekly it has broken 60. So now weekly shows below 60 with a volume which is above previous candle's doji. Okay, there was a doji here. Now there is a breakout on this, and we are almost at CIP. Okay, I need to just show you this. See, ये जो पहले का सपोर्ट था या रेजिस्टेंस था, जिसके बाद देयर इज अ ब्रेकआउट. ओके, सो कैंडल स्टिक्स जिसको पता है, ओके, दिस वाज रेजिस्टेंस, ब्रेकआउट, first CIP, and now we are coming for support. Okay, so are we going to bounce from here? Then it is a good bounce because it has taken support. But what is wrong here is, look at those candles here. Shooting star followed by another shooting star, dojis, and then there is a fall. So जो flag setup था, वो flag setup को भी उन लोगों ने तोड़ दिया है. So now there is no more any flag setup available right now on Bank Nifty on weekly, and now this is the last hope. If we are broken, we come down till this level on weekly as well. First year, because there is going to be some support at 31,000, and then there can be another support at 29,600. तो 29,500 जो मैं स्टार्टिंग में बोला था वो इसके वीकली के हिसाब से था. So we are now looking forward for some fall in the market, and we'll have to now see the banking stocks for more detail. Okay, so yes, this is going to be a good CIP here, because देखो यहाँ पे भी उसने सपोर्ट लिया था, अभी यहाँ पे भी वो सपोर्ट ले रहा है, और यहाँ पे भी वो लेगा, तो it is good. And the only thing is now it should not come down. See, right now it is 55. So अगर ये थोड़ा बाउंस आता है ये वीक में और 60 पे रेजिस्ट करता है, तो we might see 60 resistance also. Okay, so we'll have to be watchful on Bank Nifty. Okay, anyways, top bottom we are in short, so we should not mind anything. Okay, we are getting almost, I think, 700 points. So let's see what happens. And now see, even here, this was the CIP level 32,900. We are below it. Okay, so do we bounce from here or not, we need to see. Okay, and जो मैंने बोला था कि हम लोग 61% के भी नीचे चले गए हैं, तो that 61% was this. See, we are at 61, you can say, or be just below 61. So either we bounce from here, so this is also critical level. We might bounce till 33,700. Okay, यहाँ पे उसको resistance आएगा ही आएगा. तो weekly for your options trading, okay, you can have a view. If we open negative, it's going to fall, 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 fall. But if we open positive, 33,700 is going to be the first resistance. उसके ऊपर में 34,000 is going to be another 34,300. Okay, so this are going to be some resistance on the weekly basis. So be careful. Okay, 33,700 itself मेरे को तो थोड़ा डाउटफुल लग रहा है कि वो आएगा ये हफ्ते में, but let's see. Okay, so that is where you should be looking into for your option trading as well as option writing. It can be on either side. Okay, and even monthly if you see, it's just dipping below 60. ओके, सो ये मंथ बहुत क्रिटिकल होने वाला है. ये क्या करेगा ये मंथ में, ये देखना जरूरी है. ओके, इफ यू सी, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ बुलिश, सॉरी, बेरिश काउंटर अटैक ऑन monthly, resisting at upper band, and now we might see it also crossing on the uh, downside on 60. So Bank Nifty, yes, looks little weaker compared to Nifty. Nifty, I'm not seeing much weakness. Okay, apart of the levels that it needs to take out. Okay, so let's now write down for even this. So these are the resistances now. Because this was a good support broken, turn to resistance. So this is where we are having the support now. Okay, so 32, 500 around. Create support. Okay, so these are the levels of support now. So this really looks bad. Yes, we will do that. We'll do when we are actually checking the stock as well. So when we'll check this, both are normally the stocks we normally check. So we will certainly have to choose that. We will do that as well. So where it went or where the momentum went. Okay. Now let's go to the spot charges for other indices. So I would go for Bank Nifty once because see here there is a black candle. Okay. So on the spot you will see this 38.15 and 39. So there is a 4 bar bullish divergence on spot. Okay, but I think futures had a major gap down and then it was rising. So that's a उधर white candle है but actually वो black ही consider कर सकते हैं हम. So मैंने जो 4 बार bullish divergence दिखाया है वो मैंने spot पे भी देखा था. So 38.15 and 39. So this really looks good. Okay, it is 32,500 is the close for this candle and this is 32,448. So we do have, price is lower and RSI is higher. So yes, you do have a bullish divergence setup here, but there is also a gap here. So we need a gap up for the confirmation. And second thing is we need a close above this. Okay, so close above 32,900, which is itself the resistance. उसके ऊपर में क्लोज हुआ तो ये बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस कंफर्म भी होगा और वो कंफर्म होता है तो हमारा फर्स्ट टारगेट 33,900 भी आता है. Okay, so we need to wait for the confirmation. उसके beyond में मत जाना. Okay. So we saw this. Now let's go to Nifty IT. Nifty IT ने actually धोखा दिया Amar sir. So that is where we went wrong. It was at 60 resistance. Okay, it bounced from there. Okay, so that is what it did. It went above. Okay, so it was I think below 60 when we were looking at in the last week. Okay, so it was here, and this was below 60. So it was struggling. Okay, and this was its resistance which is broke, and now see it's at a new all-time high. It's a doji now at an all-time high. Okay, so again we need to wait and watch now. So if you look at this, see exactly a doji on the previous high. This is what it did. Now let's see, there is a breakout on weekly, but again see यहाँ पे पहले वो bearish divergence setup था 4 बार, वो भी nullify किया उसने और ऊपर चला गया. So ये actually the thing is where we went wrong was we had a trade. If this confirms, then we might go short. Okay, so we were not able to get the confirmation for this bearish divergence either on the index nor on TCS, and that is the reason why they've been triggered. But we didn't thought that if it goes in the opposite direction, where should be the entry. So we watched it only from one side of things. So this is what see it did, and this is what is now even in Nifty equilateral wedge. And see the wedge breakout is on the upside in case of Nifty IT. So this is what happened during last week, at least in TCS. I'm sure what it did was the bearish pattern never confirmed, and hence it went in a momentum trading in the next direction. Okay, so this is what we missed. So this is, that's why I said, right, in the start itself that there were few entries which we missed, which I was reluctant to change. But I think now from this week we will have to see on day-to-day basis on the stocks we identify to have a re-entry or an opposite entry. Something which might be in a short might turn to be bullish. So
But
that is where we will
but
see
your analysis for
come
Nifty
and
IT was
consider it.
perfect. Absolutely perfect. Nifty IT was very perfectly
So
identified.
Nifty IT is now, yes, diamond sector. I think Devan bhai, you said it perfectly. There is no see. We also had 3 bar bearish divergence on monthly now, which has been totally been changed. We are now at a new all-time high, about the shooting star high so far, and this is going high, right? And that's why you see Gensar we have given as a buy. So even if you look at Gensar, it's the same thing. See, first 60 support and look at the volume here. So that is the only reason why I said buy. Okay, and this might come till 350 is my first target. So IT stocks are doing good. Yeah, I know it is RSI is getting higher and higher, but I think when it is getting into that mode where we are able to see it moving higher, I think हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते, and it can come till almost I think indices है sector indices है ये 85 87 तक जा सकता है वापस. So now let it go. See, it was 79 here. Okay, now 82. So ये महीना अभी ये 79 के नीचे या ये प्राइस के नीचे तो आने वाला है नहीं. Okay, so we are now going to have a bullish sector with everything getting very good. Yeah, dollar price is one of it. So you can say that as well. Okay, and that is the also one of the reason why banking stocks are not doing good, because if dollar increases, IT will rise, but banks will fall. Okay, so that is the reason why bank nifty is sluggish. Okay, मैं ज़्यादा वो सब डिस्कशन में नहीं जाता हूँ कि मैं खाली चार्ट्स देख के मानता हूँ, मेरे को वो सब नहीं समझता है और मैं समझाना भी नहीं चाहता हूँ. Okay, so I'll ignore that part, but yes, that is one of the reason you can say from the fundamental side. Okay, so Nifty IT becomes diamond again. Okay, daily doji at ATH. Okay, all time high. इधर लिख देता हूँ ताकि फिर कहीं पे भी ऑल टाइम हाई आया तो मैं लिखूंगा नहीं. ATH is what we will use as abbreviation. Okay, breakout about this, will see a new breakout in it, which it did. Okay, so this was actually done perfectly, but we were not much. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. Okay, so this was what it achieved already. And see, उसके ऊपर में 1000 पॉइंट, सो 26350 was the breakout area. उसके ऊपर में वो और 1000 पॉइंट ऊपर चला गया. Okay, so this is where it is. So breakout about this, we'll see new breakout in it, and which it did. Okay, so this has already been achieved. So I'm going to remove this now. Okay, and weekly bull sesh तो नहीं है, but I think now it is. And monthly bullish candle around 80, candle above shooting star high. Yeah, buy about doji on daily. Yes. So we'll have to look at the stocks as well. Okay, so we'll look into the stock. Okay, so this is where Nifty ID goes. Let's see Nifty Infra. Nifty Infra again has a doji, and it's looking okay to me on monthly still. Monthly band walk, weekly at doji at 60 and price support. Only thing is it's struggling is on the daily time frame. So not a golden sector, but TCS will have to see whether it is a doji or not. So I'll see TCS and I'll let you know. So we'll see TCS as well. So this is where it is resistance. So above 42.10, this sector will also start rising. ओके सी निफ्टी को ये टाइम ना बहुत बाकी सब सेक्टर्स का भी सपोर्ट है. ओके ये है फार्मा है, ये सब सपोर्टिंग है. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई निफ्टी इज नॉट हैविंग एनी प्रॉब्लम, बट द प्रॉब्लम नाउ वुड बी विद बैंक निफ्टी. नाउ दिस is a sign of a ascending wedge which is normally bearish. So if this falls, it will come down till this level again, and if there is a breakout above this, we might see it again touching this levels and maybe the high on the upper side. Okay, so 150 points up or 150 points down is where the infra is going to be. Let's see FMCG. See FMCG ने भी लल्लू बनाया अपने को. Okay, last week में it has done this breakdown and it was below 60. So this is where even Unilever did the trick. Okay, it also came from the support. So gap support was there, which we were aware of, but from there it just went up. Okay, so there was a bearishness here. एक दिन गिरा जिसमें हम लोग ने हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर में we did made money, हाँ, by the way. So that was not a wrong thing, but वो पूरा टारगेट नहीं गया because it came till the gap and it bounced back. So this was Monday for us, जहाँ पे हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर शॉर्ट ट्रिगर भी हुआ. We made some money and we got out, right? And then see this. So this is where it bounced from bullish harami on daily at gap support, and then it kept. This is the another reason, or the another stock which went in the opposite direction. Okay, plus इस दिन क्या हुआ वीकली और मंथली भी देख लेते हैं. But main thing from daily we can say gap support, and then there is a bullishness. So now let's see. Yeah, so you can say a hammer was made even on weekly, and there was an equal bounce at price support. See, support broken, again broken, and then you can say somewhere as first CIP. Okay, and again see this was also below 60. Okay, last week, and now see it comes up to 63. So again this comes up to a new high. Okay, so FMCG also is a diamond sector now, but again we need to be careful because 65, 65.34. So ये पूरा भी महीना बाकी है. So there was a bearish divergence here, which also didn't confirm, and it is doing opposite. Okay, so now again we'll have to wait and watch on this sector as well. Okay, ये महीना तो अभी और बाकी है, or more 20 days to go, and in that what it does will show us whether it is a bearish divergence setup or not. Okay, so currently you can see everything is above 60, 60, 60. So again a diamond sector because when the close is at all-time high. Okay, so FMCG again goes higher and becomes another diamond sector. So this is where we went wrong. Okay, because they showed us bearish. See M setup, bearish counter attack, weekly above 60 but at price resistance, and monthly 4 bar bearish divergence setup. ये सब लल्लू बनाया इसने. Okay. HUL also breakout, yes. So we'll see that now. See, this is a neutral candle, huh? Last वाला जो है वो. वो white दिखता है उसका मतलब वो bullish नहीं है. उसका आधा body और आधा wig है. Okay, so it's a neutral candle. Okay, at 80H again. Okay, so this is again, diamond sector, but again, see, this has got, an X on it. Okay, उसके सर पे अभी भी थोड़ा कभी भी गिर सकता है. Okay, so this is still there. Okay, so it's not a confident breakout on the new index or the new high. Okay, both IT and this, because it's maybe monthly is about 82. So that is again, somewhere, and it is just crossing shooting star high. And shooting star high, we all know candlesticks के ट्रेनिंग में मैंने बहुत बार बोला है कि shooting star can be retested. So if the month is still yet to be over, and if you get, close below the shooting star, there can be a retesting of shooting star successfully done, and we might see this index also struggling in the next month. Okay, so we have to be careful on this stocks. Okay, ये दोनों डायमंड इंडेक्स है, लेकिन मर मर के डायमंड बने हैं. ओके, वो रेस में भाग रहे थे, लेकिन वो पहुंचे हैं विनिंग तक, बट दे आर स्टिल, with half breath or almost 10% of the breath only left. So you need to be cautious. ये सब ICU patients ही है जो जिंदा है अभी. Okay, so we will have to see that as well. Let's see pharma. So pharma has done good. Okay, we were expecting after this hammer, and we want this to cross this line. ये shooting star के ऊपर जाना चाहिए. Okay, so then if it crosses 13,200, 300, we might see it again racing towards that 14,000 mark. Okay, look at the weekly also now at price resistance, also at 60 resistance. So we need this to break above 60. Okay, so ये price resistance भी है और RSI का भी resistance है. Okay, so see, we were bullish on pharma stocks in last 2 weeks because we saw this. Okay, but now we need to see where, we can have a re-entry on them. And now this is looking good. Okay, so there is a breakout, band walk started, and here there is again a price resistance. So if Nifty Pharma goes about 13,200 on Monday, which is tomorrow, we might see it cruising to 13,500, and that is where we might see even the pharma stocks racing higher. Okay, so this is what we need to see now in the pharma stocks. तो यहाँ तक अगर ये आ गया तो ये फिर मेरे ख्याल से नया हाई के लिए जाएगा ही जाएगा, which is around 14,000. Okay, so pharma sector looks good again. Okay, you might say it as a golden index क्योंकि all time frame are above 60. Weekly भी ऐसे देखने जाएगा figure wise is 60.07. Okay, so you can say this is a golden index, but at price resistance. Okay, so सब में बट आ गया है अभी. पहले क्या था, वो जा ही रहा था, अभी सब में बट के साथ जाएगा. So let's see this. Okay. Guys, actually, I will be not able to hear anything that you speak. By the way, I'm using a mic which is without earphones. Okay. So if you are saying anything, you can do one thing is put it in the chat. Because this is with a very high clarity thing. I think ये मेरे को भूषण ने ही गिफ्ट किया था. So I'm using this one because घर पे मैंने ये रखा है कि कभी-कभी अगर घर से प्रोग्राम करना पड़ा तो I can use this. Hi, sorry, I think I just lost the connection and I'm back. Okay, so I was just writing down over here. So Nifty Pharma also looks okay, but still at resistance on weekly. So we need to have a breakout. Okay, and let's see the last sector. Okay, so Nifty Auto also has weekly bearish range. If see, it was at a bullish harami at 20 MA support, and now we have see this resisting 60. Okay, so again a doji yet, so we need to see whether it bounces above the doji high or it falls back. Okay, so this is the reason why the auto stocks were failing. See, it is at price resistance as well. ये देखो, ये candle और ये candle ये देखो. Okay, so this is where also it is having. So we need a breakout above this so that it can come back till here. और अगर वहां तक आया भी तो वो बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस और एम सेटअप भी है, पर तब तक तो ऊपर जाएगा ना. So this is exactly around 60. Okay, so this is still around 60, and there is a doji here, and daily is around 40. So yes, let's see Nifty auto stocks. And this is the reason why महिंद्रा का बात मान लिया भगवान ने, मारुति को गिरा दिया. But now let's see what will Maruti do. Okay, it should come till here if it has to fall from these two dojis. Okay, so you might make some money even in the top bottom short of Maruti. So now let's see daily 40 crossover या 40 support है अभी. Support series of dojis. Doji at MA 20 resistance. Okay. Weekly doji at price and this support but below 60. Okay, so this is what remains. Monthly above 60 and chance of first bullish range. Yes. So we'll have to see this monthly as well. Okay, so this is where even Nifty Auto is. So we complete this. Now let's start on the stocks. Okay. Khali ek last I want to check is metals, because I know everyone is asking me for metals. So we will not note down it similar to Nifty Infra, but let me give you the view now. See, metals is still going good. It's at all-time high. Weekly there is a breakout. Okay, and you can see this is a very good breakout. Okay, so this can still continue. Okay, and my view is it might come once for a CIP. Okay, ये एक बार इधर आके फिर बढ़ा जाना चाहिए. Then it makes a very good setup. Okay, right now see, look at this. ये CI oh sorry, इसने भाई साहब ने एक बार CIP ले चुका है. ये देखो, if you look at this resistance breakout and see the CIP here. Okay, so अभी ये रुकना नहीं चाहिए. Okay, so this is really looking good. So this is looking good, and so is, I think, see, this is one of the stock which we recommended I think 2 to 3 weeks back, and 48 पे हम लोग ने buy किया है इसको. Okay, look at this. Okay, ये सब देखने के लिए monthly देखो तो सबसे best है. So it's a cup breakout. Okay, so first target can be around 100. Okay, it's a cup breakout. Look at this RSI and look at the volumes in the recent past. ये volume घुसे ये लोग तो ये थोड़ी इधर ही निकलने वाला है. Okay, so they will take it now till 105 is first target. Above 105 you will see more 190 तक का टारगेट, बिकॉज ये जो फर्स्ट डेप्थ है वो 85 रुपीज का डेप्थ है, सॉरी 80 रुपीज का डेप्थ है. ओके, तो उतना ये और ऊपर जाएगा. सो 105 के ऊपर और 80 रुपीज जाएगा. सो 185 190 becomes your this thing which will be around, then you can expect, see, 195. You can expect this in Tata Steel Bhushan. Okay, even I bought it in my mom's account. Okay, so this really looks good to me. भूषण तुम्हारा नाम है पीछे, ये एक ही टाइम मिलेगा तुमको अपना नाम रोशन करने के लिए. Okay, so this is one of the reason why we have got into Tata Steel Bhushan. See the volume. See again, I think Vijay is still there. तो विजय देख सकता है. कप के लिए RSI का भी मूवमेंट ऐसा कप की जैसा होना चाहिए, वॉल्यूम होना चाहिए ब्रेकआउट के पहले. ओके, एंड सी इट इज डूइंग बैंड वॉक. ओके, सब ये सब अगर मिलता है तब तुमको पता चलेगा कि इट इज गोइंग टू बी लाइक दिस. या यू कैन हैव इन दिस, यू कैन स्टिल एंटर. ओके, हमारा एंट्री एक्चुअली ऑफिशियल एंट्री वर्ड है 52, लेकिन बीच में एक दिन ज्यादा वॉल्यूम और सब देख के हम लोग 48 पे ही घुस गए. ओके, तो हमारा 10 रुपये ही ऊपर है. इसका आपको मैं आपके सामने अभी भी 105 दिखा रहा हूँ. सो मे बी 80 इज वन एंड देन दिस. हाँ, सब सेल वेल सब वैसे ही है. और सेल तो आई थिंक इट इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ, आई थिंक क्या बोलते हैं वो, PSU को सब बेच रहे हैं ना, डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट. वो सी आई डोंट गो फॉर सच थिंग्स बिकॉज डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट एंड थिंग वो है ना खाली बातें है. एक बार बेच देने दो, उसके बाद अब लो जो करना है वो. ओके, किसी को ले लेने दो. सी भूषण स्टील, टिल इट वाज भूषण, सी इट हैपेंड लाइक दिस. बट पीछे टाटा का नाम आ गया, बाद में देखो अभी ऊपर जा रहा है. ओके, तो किसी को लेने दो सेल को, और वो भी टाटा ही लेगा. और कोई स्टील के बिजनेस में इतना बड़ा आदमी है ही नहीं. जिंदाल एंड टाटा आर द ओनली टू प्लेयर्स हु आर आल्सो बिडिंग फॉर इट. So let them get it, and then it will add value tremendous. Okay, वो I would say never buy. हाँ, मित्तल वही, मित्तल के पीछे जिंदाल वही हो गया ना, और कौन है. Right, so this is where we are seeing it. So now let's go to our usual stocks. I think I showed you 2 to 3 stocks so far today, even in the cash segment. तो इक्विटी में भी मैंने आपको वीबल सोलर दिखाया है, टाटा स्टील भूषण दिखाया है, and also I've showed you Zensa. Okay, so now let's start ACC. Okay, slow and steady wins the race, and see what it is doing. ये भाई साहब इसके सहारे ही ऊपर जा रहा है. Okay, and see it went till 2000 and again back down, but it is looking good at a new all-time high already. Okay, and see monthly also it is looking good. Okay, so if anybody is holding this in equity, see this is the first CIP as well, breakout and CIP at 1880. Okay, so now this really looks good, but daily में अभी ये entry नहीं दिखा रहे हैं. It's a black candle and it's a bearish, you can say dark cloud cover भी है ये. Okay, so ये थोड़ा नीचे आएगा 60 support पे, so then we can think of entering into it. So ACC is rolled out. Let's go to Reliance. See, Reliance again has got a bullish divergence. Okay, but I'll admit where I went wrong in the last week. Okay, my buy was above this level. Okay, ये 2051 was above this. तो ज़्यादा इसके ऊपर मैं नहीं टिक पाया, वो 60 से ही नीचे आया. But then there was a buy on above this. So 2017 पे वो buy हो सकता था, या 2020 पे comfortably ये buy हो सकता था, जो मैंने नहीं किया. Okay, so this is where I think this was an entry here, but since I was looking this as a more of a resistance zone, okay, I didn't enter above this, but there was definitely an entry on this candle high. Okay, which is 2016. So 2020 पे अगर हम एंटर करते थे तो knowing me, everyone knows that I would book profits. तो मैं यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट इस दिन प्रॉफिट हम लोग लेके निकलते थे जबकि हमारा लॉस हुआ, बट नो डाउट वी हैड कैप सी, ये जो कैंडल था ना उसके हिसाब से मैंने 34 रखा था. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई 51 से 34 का आई थिंक 16 रुपीज का स्टॉप लॉस लिया. बट आई शुड हैव मेड अ न्यू एंट्री ऑन दिस डे इंस्टेड ऑफ 51 at 20. Then we would have made some money rather than losing money in this. So this is one trade which we missed, but now again it is in the same range. And one thing which I want to show you is we are going to definitely trade this. A strong base and a strong resistance. So let's buy this now again above the same levels. Okay, ये breakout के ऊपर में हम लोग इसको ले सकते हैं. So till 53, 54 again we will have it, and if it goes above that we can continue. Okay, so mainly इसका जो depth है उतना वो आपको देना चाहिए. So this becomes actual target. Okay, that was my target last time also, but we failed because this is still in under the influence of this trend line. So now breakout of this trend line is something which we need to trade, or you can say descending wedge. Okay, ये और एक दो दिन टाइम पास कर सकते हैं इसके हिसाब से. Okay, so let's see. See, it's also at price support here. Okay, around this level and this support. So if it breaks out, it will be a good breakout. And this is where it is right now, also at price support on weekly and monthly 60 support. So जिस जिसने सिंपली इंडिकेटर्स किया है, okay, you would register. There was one strategy 6, right? Anybody recollects monthly 60 and daily 40? किसी को याद है? Video panel has already been removed. I don't know where are you. I'm not looking into it at all. It has already been minimized. Yeah, so that is the main thing. So if Nifty has to be broken, RIL will be pushed down. But if Nifty, which is also at support of 14,800 and has to move above 15,000, RIL will trigger. Okay, so again we'll have to see on both the sides, right? And this is where RIL is right now, monthly at 60, daily at 40. So till it does not break down 40 on daily, that is where you will see even Nifty being supported, and that is where we'll have to still have a trade on the buy side on this. So about 2025, your buy should trigger. Okay, your first target is going to be 2055. Okay, so it will be a very small intraday trade rather than a swing trade. Okay, same is Dr. Reddy. We'll see that also. Okay, so let's complete this first and then we'll go to Asian Paint also, because that is also one stock which is doing good. So let's have Reliance. Now let's go to Asian Paint. Prachi, I hope you are not seeing the video panel because I've already minimized that. Right now, this again shows series of dojis, but ये भी ये देखो ये TriStar doji है. It is there. कहाँ है? Is it coming in between? अच्छा, you minimize it.
No,
Okay. ये वीडियो मैंने तो एक्चुअली बंद ही रखा है, बट आई डोंट नो हाउ इट कम्स. शो थंबनेल, शो ग्रिड व्यू. हाँ तो ठीक ही है ना, इसको साइड पे डाल दिया मैंने. ठीक है. अच्छा, यू डोंट सी. ओके, गुड 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 गुड. तो मैं उस पर नहीं अटकता हूँ, फटाफट ये करते हैं. So see, we have a breakout here about 2600. Okay, it's above 60, and there is a price start doji. So we'll have to see here what it happens. Above 60 breakout, and it's an alert bar at 20 MA support, gap support. Hmm. Okay. So we do have this as a golden stock. Okay, alert bar on weekly. So let's have this as well. ना ना, कप नहीं, डेली पे कप थोड़ी होता है. Asian Paint we saw Reliance. Okay, let's go to FMCG sector now. Hind Unilever. So this is where we went wrong. Okay, so this was what happened, and this is where, see, it came down, but see what it did. So I told you, the mistake which we did was there was a tweezer bottom at 60 support, and then there was a breakout about this. So this is where it just kept going, and now it went above this. So now there is a breakout on lever, and that monthly 4 bar bullish bearish divergence भी अभी existing है. Okay, so I am not going to trade this now. Okay, इसको छोड़ दूंगा क्योंकि इसमें है थोड़ा अभी भी confusion. And there is again M setup अभी भी है. ये देखो 67 का RSI और ये 60. अच्छा नहीं है. So weekly चला गया, monthly अभी भी खड़ा है. लॉकडाउन फियर नहीं बोल सकते, बट ये हुआ था मंडे को. देयर वाज अ ब्रेकडाउन, बट देन इट बाउंस फ्रॉम 60 एंड इट स्टार्टेड टू राइज अबव दिस. सो 66, 7 एंड 68, तो ये तो अभी ऊपर में निकल भी गया है. एंड इफ एनीबडी इज होल्डिंग इट, कैन होल्ड इट विद द स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 2650. आई नो सराफ सर के पास रहेगा ही रहेगा, because I know him, he would be trading lever on the long side right now. So if you are holding it, hold with this as your stop loss, which is 2440. अच्छा, book profit तो जाने दो, if you book profit it is okay. So 24,440 becomes your stop loss in this case. Okay, so we will avoid lever for this week. let's see Dabur. See, Dabur has also got a doji at an all-time high. तो ये भी यार एक टेंशन है. वीकली ब्रेकआउट है, मंथली भी ब्रेकआउट है. इक्विटी चलेगा 2440. होल्ड इट विजय, होल्ड इट. इक्विटी में चलेगा 2440 आराम से होल्ड करो. यू माइट सी गुड मूवमेंट ऑन द अपसाइड. सी नाउ अगेन दिस, इफ इट क्रॉसेस दिस ओनली इट्स अ बाय, क्योंकि ये डोजी एट ऑल टाइम हाई है एंड दिस कैन बी अ की रिवर्सल कैंडल. ओके, सो इसके नीचे शॉर्ट होता है बट तुरंत ही देखो गैप है इसको. तो मतलब ऐसे स्टॉक्स को छोड़ दिया जाए. ओके, ये ऊपर कुछ और दिखा रहा है, नीचे कुछ और दिखा रहा है, तो कहाँ जाएगा मालूम नहीं, साइडवेज ही रहेगा ये. So avoid such stocks which has got both side shielding at both levels. इसके ऊपर में जाएगा तो ऑल टाइम हाई क्रॉस करेगा, तो इट इज इन नो रेजिस्टेंस जोन. ओके, देन स्काई इज द लिमिट. और इधर नीचे भी गिरा ना इसके, तो तुरंत इसको सपोर्ट तुरंत ही है. 59 से 57 क्या ट्रेड करोगे? 55 तक तो उसको गैप है इतना बड़ा, तो छोड़ दो इसको. ओके, सो डाबर डज नॉट गो. सो नेस्ले मैगी 2 मिनट में क्या खाएगा? ऑफ एट 60 सपोर्ट. ओ 20 MA रेजिस्टेंस. सो छोड़ दो. सी इसमें भी देयर आर रिवर्स सिग्नल. सी मंथली शोइंग गुड कैंडल राइट नाउ. ओके, इट इज रेजिस्टिंग दिस लेवल 17620. so you buy above the high of this, but see that is where it is 17800 के ऊपर में बाई करो इसको. 19,000 you 18,800 can be the target. Okay, and first 60 support on daily. Worth a trade. Okay, एक चीज किसी ने देखी, ये देखो. After December 2020, after 4 months, I am at first 60 support. Okay, so this is an history after almost a long time in Nestle. Okay, so this makes a trade. There is also an AM pattern, but we need confirmation for that. So that's why I said that 2440 is your stop loss to Vijay. So now we are waiting for a breakout about this. Okay. It's worth a trade, by the way, Nestle. Hey, क्या करत हो बबुआ? गलत डाल दिया ना. 17 है राइट. किधर टाइप किया है मैंने? Okay, so 500 points risk. Okay, and 1000 points reward. Wipro will check when we go to IT. We are still on FMCG. Okay, so we have done Nestle, we have done Hindustan Unilever and Dabur. So Nestle we got on the FMCG side a buy. Okay, now let's go to the finance sector. ये क्या हुआ? क्या RSI 40 है? ये नहीं है. So there is nothing on this.
मैंने 1500 खाने का है तो कैसे कोई ट्रेन में गाता है कोई प्लेन में गाता है तो भाई मैं स्ट्रगलर हूँ इंडस्ट्री की बहुत सालों से स्ट्रगल कर रही हूँ कभी मौका नहीं मिला मुझे ऐसे परफॉर्म करने का मैंने मतलब
1 minute, I need to see this on. This seems to be problem in HDFC Bank. No, there is no TV on. Oh, market lot is 50. I thought it was 25. Okay, then we will revisit. Don't worry.
बाबू मेरा गाना बजाते
है ना 3000 कहाँ से हो गया? अरे हाँ, ठीक है ठीक है.
छोटी छोटी गैया
If it is 50 lot size, then we will have to revisit. Okay, then we might not trade this also. I was expecting कि अगर ये 17-18 हजार वाला है तो ये थोड़ा कम रहेगा. मेरे घर पे तो टीवी बंद है भाई. किसी और का टीवी चालू है क्या? एक मिनट, कोई और अनम्यूट है क्या? अच्छा हाँ. Okay, so now I don't think so there is any TV noise, right? Yes, gone. Okay. 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 So now let's see. So this HDFC Bank में buy तो I don't think so is possible. Okay, I will remove HDFC Bank buy. Okay, so let's see. So okay. Let's see ICICI. It is still at 40 support. But see it's same gap down हुआ है ये सब. ये भी 60 ब्रेक किया है लेकिन ये भी सपोर्ट पे ही है. There is mixed pattern right now. So this is at price support, but RSI is below 60. And this can be the range shifter. So yes, I think Bank Nifty थोड़ा मेरे को weak लग रहा है. Key stocks are not helping it. So yes, there is a bullish divergence in this as well. I think banking stocks will wait only for 1 or 2 days to see what is to be done because मेरे को कहीं पे भी convincingly ट्रेड दिख नहीं रहा है. This is going to be buy above this levels only. So 955 के ऊपर ये buy होता है. Buy होते ही तुरंत ही तो इसका टारगेट है. It doesn't seem to be good as well. So I'll avoid banking stocks for this thing. Okay, and even I'll avoid finance banking because Bajaj Finance और उन लोग का लॉट साइज तो ठीक है, पर उन लोग का मार्जिन बहुत बड़ा है. 3-3 साढ़े 3 लाख मार्जिन है उसका. Okay, so again we will avoid those stocks. But still, if anyone wants the view, I'll just give a view on it. See, इसमें भी bullish divergence setup 36 है, नहीं है. So everything is broken actually. अगर आप देखने जाओगे ना तो this is at support, but I don't know what will it do. तो बाउंस होता है तो ही ले सकते हैं, नहीं तो नहीं. MRF तो बाकी है ना, ऑटो सेक्टर ही पूरा बाकी है महेंद्र. तो सेक्टर ही पूरा बाकी है. बट आई वाज लुकिंग एट ये, बट ये भी जाने दो. फाइनेंस सेक्टर it is going to be 50-50. So let it do something positive for us to get a trade on the upside now. नहीं तो ये गया है. So, there is a short position everywhere which is building up. Okay, so there is still a chance of this to come down till 4700. इसमें और 200 रुपया नीचे है. So mainly even if it comes down till 4600, yes, then it can be a buy. But then again, that buy would have to be supported at weekly 40 मेरे ख्याल से. This is where it is. So weekly this is looking good. Okay, तो यहाँ तक आ सकता है वो. And see, it's completely जो मैं last week से ये सब के पीछे पड़ा था. So this is a bearish divergence. Okay. Confirmation of bearish divergence and see this. So ये हुआ नहीं लास्ट वीक में. हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर और TCS में ये हुआ नहीं है, लेकिन उसमें अभी भी सेटअप जिंदा है. That's why I would avoid them as well. Okay. So now let's see what happens in auto. पहले ऑटो देख लेते हैं, फिर हम लोग DRR और बाकी सब देखते हैं. See, Maruti again looks good. Doji at price support. See this. सीधा लाइन खींचू ना यहाँ से. So this is around the support of 6800. इसको बहुत है. टाटा मोटर्स भी देखेंगे. Okay, टाटा मोटर्स तो आजकल फेवरेट है. Okay, so this is where it is having some support. Okay, so from here if it bounces, it will bounce good, and this is where it can come to. इसके लिए मेरा बाई था इसके ऊपर में 7056. मेरा लास्ट वीक का बाई यही था 7056 या 55 के ऊपर में बाई था. Okay, and this week now it is 7000. Okay, so still we can have this. Okay, Titan, I've already said it's a buy in equity. I'm not trading it in futures. Okay, it's a cup breakout. Now monthly is also at 20 MA support and it is doing it. Okay, so again we need a buy on Maruti. And see, this was the bullish divergence which we didn't trade it. Okay, clear bullish divergence was here. If you look at this and this candle, okay, and then see it went up. अपने लिए तो 100 रुपये का मूवमेंट बहुत हो जाता है. This was where it went up to. So now if again we want to buy it, okay, so this is where we need to buy above this. So 7000 is only going to be the buying for us. Yeah, it's a W as well. So it's outside, inside भी है. Yes, Shubha. So in that case, so now you can expect this as your first target. which I would let it go, and then I will trade for the second target. So normally lower band to upper band is what we say, and this is what you can get in Maruti. Okay, so Maruti again, I think top bottom का किधर है? हाँ वही है. Okay, 6935. Okay, so that is where we are having an entry again as per this. Downwards again 6750 is looking to be a strong support. अगर ये टूटा then only it will go down till 65 60 or 6570, otherwise not. Okay, and if you look downwards, yes, there is a trend line right now on the downside. बाकी सब आपके लिए निकाल देता हूँ अमर सर. Nikal beta. See, now I will just tell you one thing on the trend line and the trend. Okay. See, from this, if you see, okay, it is making lower top, lower bottoms, but now it is making a similar bottom, and now it is rising the bottom. So this is a statistically change in trend. Okay, and that is where I would go long about 6900 6985 या 7000 के ऊपर में भी हम ले सकते हैं. Okay, so that's why I would prefer to go long on this particular stock above the doji high, which is 69. This still can be kept. Okay, so this becomes your stop loss, this becomes your target, and this becomes your entry. It's a bullish divergence, it's a change in trend, it can be a change in or breakout on trend line as well. So trend line breakout is above 6880 itself, but we'll enter a little higher than that and let it go up. Once it crosses 6985, we will see 7000 plus in this. Okay, or I'll keep the entry same as top bottom. Okay, so this becomes your entry actually. So Maruti looks good. Okay, with the trend line breakout and everything in its favor. And see, the main thing is volumes are here now. Okay, and then there is no volume here. So this now says if we are able to have a breakout and that breakout candle is with volume, that means the trend has reversed. Yeah, it has got a gap resistance still here. So by that time we are making almost 65 to 100 rupees. We should be fine. Right, so 65 to 100 rupees is, once we are anyways above 5000, given by you are aware, right, we will trail it with the buy price stop loss or will start trailing. So इतना तक तो जाने दो. This setup is good, so you should trade it. This setup is good. So now let's go to Escorts, MRF. सी एस्कॉर्ट में भी गलती कहाँ हो गया मालूम है, इसके ऊपर में एंट्री था वो. So 1245 से यहाँ तक में वो हमको मिल जाता बिकॉज इट वाज परफेक्ट bullish me at price support. See, तो ये गलती हो गया था मेरा. मैं 1300 पे अटका रहा वो वीकली एनालिसिस के हिसाब से, but this was a good thing. Okay, so we need to revise even escorts, and now it is again, on the fall side. But if it rises, we buy only about 1300. So we buy above here, and we might get it till 1320. But let's see now. I will remove this. Weekly, it has got a doji. So about doji high can be bought, and again, the reward is not much. And weekly, daily. So I'll avoid escort now. Let's go to Hamara Bajaj. It is at 60 support, a doji at 60. बहुत ऊपर में बाई है. ओके, तो विल लेट इट गो, क्योंकि इसका बाई आता है इसके ऊपर में 3775 के ऊपर में, because then it confirms that it is taking 60 support on monthly, then you can hold it, otherwise it does not make sense. Okay, so ये नहीं जा रहा है. हीरो मोटो, ये तो बेचारा मर चुका है, बट देयर इज and now it is struggling, so जाने दो इसको. So weekly is at 40 support, बस और कुछ नहीं है. So there can be a bounce in auto sector ना. auto sector भी हम लोग ने क्या देखा था auto sector पे, daily 40 support, series of doji. Okay, okay, so daily 40 and monthly 60. So yes, I think there can be some bounce in the auto sector. Now let's look at MRF then. Oh, MRF भी price support पे है भाई साहब. Okay, see, it has not broken below 81,000 huh? So MRF will have two calls. Okay, it will be either on buy or sell. Okay. Let's see what triggers. This can be more, but I'm just keeping it till the candles high. And second trade on MRF. Okay, so there can be both sides in MRF, because one thing is it is at price support, but if this breaks, it will come down for this level for support. This can be a good fall. And second thing is, then the wedge also breaks. Okay, or wedge ka this can be the target. And see that target also matches with the support line out here. See this. Okay, so ये wedge वगैरह भी जो बनता है ना, technically everything is along with the charts only. Okay, तो ये भी जो है वो इधर का जो डेप्थ है वही है. Okay, तो वही वो प्राइस मूवमेंट में रहता है, उसका रेंज उतना ही रहता है. Okay, so if you see it is 6,000 points का रेंज है. Okay, so 79,600 में दिख रहा है, but it can come down till 77 if this is broken with volumes. Okay, and if on the upside it breaks, तो फिर ये यहाँ तक आ जाएगा 86,700. Okay, एक बार ये 20 MA के ऊपर में जाता है तो इधर को भी मिल के आएगा. So there are chances will come till this. You will have to wait कि वो कौन से साइड जाता है. Okay. Now let's go to pharma. IT and pharma are pending, so we'll do fast now. See, pharma is already working on the thing. Now this is where we are approaching. Yeah, I am not saying anything. इसके लिए अभी सुनाई दे रहा है? Because I was not saying, I was just analyzing what can be the entry actually for this. Okay, and now we do have some entry out here. Okay, so this is looking very good. See, I'll show you now with the logic. If now I go above this level, okay, I will be coming towards this high. Okay, so this becomes my next resistance on weekly. See, this candle's low, this candle's high, and above this, I can come till here. Okay, so that is one thing. Then we have bounced from first 60 support on monthly after a hammer. Okay, so now ये जो high है, okay, it is 4914. तो ये 4914 को क्रॉस करता है, okay, then we will come till this levels again. So Dr. Reddy in that case is looking good, and see it has taken CIPA on this. It's a cup breakout, hammer on cup. Okay, so this looks interesting now. And band walk has just started. Okay, and above 60. So it's a golden sector in a way. Golden sector, golden stock नहीं क्योंकि ये sorry, excuse me, जो करो ना, इसके ऊपर में जाएगा और यहाँ तक ये 60 तक भी आएगा. फिलहाल 52 है. 52 से 60 आने के लिए 300-400 पॉइंट वो जाना चाहिए. Okay, so this looks good. Okay, now let's go to DVs. My another favorite on pharma. Maybe daily there can be a breakout about 38 200. I think DVs हम लोग ने buy भी बोला था 3600 पे. Equity also I had suggested कि जिसको भी लेने का हो लो, long term मैंने बोला था और 3900 का target दिया था. And see, we are almost approaching that target. Okay, so I think we had given a buy on previous week. इसके ऊपर में 3600 पे. This is also looking good and it will achieve the target. 3819 तो आ गया था. So almost 60-70% to achieve कर लिया है. And I think it still has that steam to have a breakout till this. Now it just needs to cross 60. So again, breakout is needed on this. So I think pharma also was weekly at 60. So we need to see whether it breaks above. It was just 60, right? 60.07. And let's say Lupin. Lupin also has a breakout now. So this is a good stock to be bought about 1100 actually. सेम थिंग है इसको लुपिन को और ये मंथली 60 क्रॉस करना चाहिए जो अभी कर रहा है. सो वंस इट इज अबव मंथली आई वुड रिकमेंड दिस कि इक्विटी में बाय करके बैठ जाओ इसको. सी द इट ब्रेक्स आउट ऑन अ मंथली कप. ओके, सो दिस अगेन मेक्स अ गुड कप अबाउट दिस. 1200 के ऊपर क्या एक कप है जिसका डेप्थ है ऑलमोस्ट 500 पॉइंट्स. This is what you can see Lupin as. Yeah, you can keep it. I am asking people to buy it since 800. That is fine. See, because 800 ये जब गिरा ना तभी भी मैंने लोगों को एवरेज करवाया. बट सी दिस, ये 700 का एवरेज पे it is making, if I just show you, cup in making है, accumulation चालू है इस पे. इसको shrink करने दो. So this is what I'm looking at to be. ये यहाँ तक तो एक कप बनता है. ये देखो, ये कप देखो. And look at this volumes and accumulation happening at this levels. Okay, and see this RSI. कितने टाइम से 60 को resist कर रहा है. And if now it breaks above, whenever it breaks above this, it's going to be, good movement. So I know there is going to be something in the pharma sector. 1200 के ऊपर में तो घुस जाओ क्योंकि वो सेक्टर भी फिर 14,000 कूदने वाला है. It is going to be a sector wise cup breakout and all time high breakout. Okay, this really looks good. Yeah, that is the reason why I am behind it since long time. Okay, I've been asking so many people to buy it. कौन उठाता है अपने को, उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है. एमएफ उठाए या जो भी उठाए. It is the sector right now which is doing good. And see this. There is a silent breakout on trend line as well. And above 60. So this also looks good. So if Lupin you want to trade, 1060 is your stop loss. Okay, and you buy above the high, which is 1094. You can expect it to go till 1128 first, which is the resistance. एक बार इसको क्रॉस किया तो 1200 तक जाएगा ये. या 800 क्वांटिटी इन फ्यूचर, दैट्स व्हाई मैं इक्विटी बोल रहा हूँ ना, मैं कभी 500 के ऊपर जाता नहीं हूँ, इसके लिए तो मैं इसको बोलता नहीं हूँ कि लो भाई. That's why I never see this stock much, but pharma is looking good as far as we are considering right now. Right. So now let's look into the favorite TCS. Let's see where we went wrong. Okay, so TCS daily last week, 5 candles back was this, a neutral candle below 60. Okay, look at the RSI here. It is 59.63. Where we went wrong was to buy at 32.30. Okay, और ये पूरा जोन उसने खा गया हो. And see, there was a gap here, गैप को भी क्लोज कर दिया. So there were levels जिसके ऊपर में इसको buy कर सकते थे. And see, it made a new high. Okay, this is where we missed it. इसके ऊपर में ये buy भी था, वो छोड़ दिया हम लोग ने, because we were waiting for that bearish divergence to confirm. वो कंफर्म ही नहीं हुआ और ये ऊपर ऊपर गया. और अभी भी देखो, there is a bearish divergence. 76, 73. Still there is bearish divergence. But ये स्टॉक ऐसा हालत में है ना कि ये ऊपर ऊपर ही खींचते जा रहा है खुद को और बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस को फाइनली नलीफाई करेगा. यहाँ पे भी ये देखो ना, बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस तो कितना बड़ा है, अभी भी 83 है और ये 83 तो कभी पहुंचने वाला है नहीं until it doubles from here. So again, this is somewhere, this is somewhere, all of this are going into some spot where you cannot trade it, but if you are holding in equity, keep holding it. Again, see, it is at doji at all-time high. So we should buy it only if it crosses the new high, which is 3358. 3358 with a stop loss of 3320, which is almost 40-point stop loss. And in this, you cannot predict any see 38% या 50% का रिट्रेसमेंट है ये, 38% का. ओके, 50 नीचे है, 61 नीचे है. ओके, और अभी मेरे को इसका टारगेट चाहिए, तो आई विल हैव टू डू दिस. वी आर ऑलरेडी एट दिस 133.43. अभी उसके ऊपर में 34.75 इज द टारगेट. सो नाउ यू हैव टू बी वॉचफुल के एंट्री भी लेना है तो कब लेंगे, और सी द टारगेट्स आर नाउ मूविंग हायर. You get this as the target, by the way, 34.79. Sorry, again lost connection. So this is the problem, working from home actually. I'm just analyzing on both the sides. So TCS also can be both sided. Okay, so we now have, almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We do have, some sell on MRF and this, and both trades on MRF and TCS. Okay, now let's see Wipro. See, Wipro is also doing band walks. If you are holding, hold with 440 as your stop loss. This can be retested 4466. 466 can be retested. Okay, Subex I will check, don't worry. Okay, Cipla is already good. So Niranjan, if you are holding it, it is fine. Cipla is a very strong right now. So let's see this Wipro, then Infi. मेरे को आईटी में 3 स्टॉक में तीसरा मेरा इन्फी किधर चला गया. See, Infi also has got a good breakout. Yes, it's good breakout about this with a good candle. But see again, ये देखो ये सर का RSI देखो 81 और ये देखो struggling. Okay, now see it has crossed even the shooting star high. And look at the monthly RSI 81. तो लॉन्ग करने को डर लगता है, बट ये उसका टारगेट क्या है वो देखते हैं. रुको. See, it already gave the first target was this, which is achieved. Second is this. Now this also can go to 15,000, 1542, or इसका one to 1730 है. So that's why we are holding it in equity. Hold it, okay, and you can hold easily with a stop loss of 1300. 1330 के आसपास में है. Right, and let's see Cipla. See, when Cipla is a breakout above 887, hold it with 811 or 830 as your stop loss. See, weekly also it's a breakout. Daily also a good breakout. Look at the volume. $880 becomes your stop loss if you are holding it, because this is where it is broken out. So this was resisted and that has now been broken. And buy about 900 with 880 as your stop loss. Okay, let's see Subex. Subex मेरे ख्याल से तो hope it is on NSE. हाँ, BSE मत बोलना मेरे को. Now you don't have anything in this. See, it is already broken. And look at this. 89 ka RSI. So, Shubha, if you are holding it, hold with 36 ka SL. Okay, ये जो 35, 36 है, उसका stop loss के साथ रुको. But see again, see the power of this RSI, and see it was buy at around 12 rupees. 12 rupees to 45 चला गया हो. See this. So विजय, तुम्हारे लिए देखो अलग से और एक कप है. ये देखो RSI का कप इम्पोर्टेंट है. RSI breakout above 60 is what you should be looking at. Okay, this 99 तक आएगा कि नहीं आएगा मालूम नहीं, because ये देखो RSI देखो. Okay, ये इसके ऊपर कितना जाएगा. So you need to be watchful now. Subex का monthly RSI itself is 90. मेरे ख्याल से इस हिसाब से डेली तो 100 के आसपास हो गया रहेगा. इधर है 75. Weekly has also gone till 90 and fallen back. So monthly RSI is too huge now, and there is bearish divergence nahi hai. If you want, you can buy with 38 as your stop loss and hold it, because monthly 98, 99 तक जा सकता है ये, जैसे इसका गया था. Alok Industry, now it does not show us the old thing, but आलोक इंडस्ट्रीज जब भी वो इधर हाई तक पहुंचा था ना, इधर ये देखो उसका RSI देखो 99.63, 99.63 मतलब कोई RSI है क्या? पूरा स्पीडोमीटर को उसने रीटेस्ट किया और ये 55 था और इस दिन देखो हाई मारा है 58, मतलब 99.63 से 100 टच किया ही था उसने और वहां से फिर गिरना ही चालू किया उसने. Okay, so this you if you are holding, be very careful. If you are around that RSI of 95, 98, please start booking profit. फिर लालच में खड़े मत रहना. RSI का लिमिट है वो, उसके बाद वो गिरा देगा उसको और फिर ये जो ऐसे जाता है ना वो ऐसे ही नीचे आता है. देखो सर्किट टू सर्किट, ये लाइन है ना, ये खाली डॉट है ना, वो सर्किट है. ये अपर सर्किट है, ये सब लोअर सर्किट है. ओके, सो बी वेरी वॉचफुल एंड केयरफुल. Do not trust SSF stocks. Okay. So I think we have taken this almost 2 hours. Okay. So sorry for that. And happy trading, right, everyone? So this will be available on the recording as well. So let's see tomorrow for the gold. अरे बाप रे, गोल्ड भी तुम लोग ट्रेड करते हो क्या? मैंने बंद कर दिया था वो. See, gold on monthly only देखना चाहिए. It is resisting 60. So gold story is over until it goes above 60, and that is you buy only about 4800, 48,000. Sorry. उसके पहले gold को छूना मत. Okay. But gold had a beautiful cup pattern. This broken about 35,000 and it gave you till 56. Okay, so this is what the cup pattern is all about. Gold, silver सब में था and everything was traded. Bitcoin जाने दो, Bitcoin अपना काम करनी है. I am not doing it. Okay, so yes, happy Gudi Padwa to everyone. Wednesday is a market holiday, so be careful. Okay, premium cutting होने वाला है for option people. Be careful for that as well. Okay. So thank you everyone and happy trading.